messages from our officials from Moro Islamic Liberation Front, whose firm dedication to peace process serves as a guiding force toward more just, inclusive, and peaceful Bangsamoro communities. To share his message, we would like to invite Mr. Ping Limbak, representative of the MILF Task Force for Decommissioned Combatants and their communities.
On behalf of MILF BCC Chairperson Engineer Aida Silungan, in respect to our guest, our partner in peace and development, Presidential Advisor on Peace, Reconciliation, Unity, Secretary General Carlito Galvez Jr., the Office of the Special Assistant of the President, Secretary Antonio Ernesto Chair, Minister, Interim Chief Minister, Office of the Chief Minister, Bangsamoro Government, Chief Minister Abdullah Magakwa, Sir, His Excellency Edgar Rodrigo Ruas Garavito, Ambassador of Embassy of Colombia to the Philippines. The Chief Executive Officer, Agency for the Renewal of the Territories, ARC, Suang Catherine Moreno Guterres. Then Presidential Advisor of Public Order and Safety, USIC Secretary Binamin Alcorda Union, Undersecretary. The Chairperson Government of the Philippines Peace Implementing Panel, Presidential Assistant Cesar Villano, President Attorney Faisal Intago, Emission System, DG Abdullah Saleh, Representative of the Moro Islamic Liberation Front Implementing Peace Panel. The Bangsamoro Transformation Presidential Assistant David Diciano, Bangsamoro Transition Authority, Rasul Ismail Alhaj, Bangsamoro Transformation Cluster, Jordan Bayam, Chief Director, and Chairperson of Joint Peace and Security Committee, Master General Francisco Arel Felicidario III. The Organization Committee, Chairperson Mr. Alair Hernandez. Then, Acting Chairman for the Peace Coordinating Committee on Secession Facilities, Brigadier General Patricio Rafi Amata, PA, Philippine Army, Institute of Peace and Development, Mindanao, Director Akram Latif, Second Secretary Pacific Colombia to the Philippines, Antonio Juan Pablo Mejia, Vice President of Pro Casor Corporation, Ariel Herman